calming the mind from stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are defense mechanisms that have been developed over the years to protect us from threats. When we are under stress, our bodies prepare for a fight or flight response, and anxiety is part of this process. In a way, anxiety assists us in dealing with the immediate danger at hand. However, when these reactions become habitual, they can be unhealthy, and because they are so often associated with negative thoughts and feelings, we can become accustomed to seeing the world in negative ways. These negative perceptions can become so habitual that they are accepted as the normal way of viewing life. Therefore, it is important to take a step back and examine our normal way of perceiving the world. 9 steps to start meditating for stress relief. 1. Schedule your meditation time. Find a time during the day when you will not be disturbed. You can meditate sitting down or lying down, but you must be able to focus on your breathing. For beginners, you can sit down cross-legged on a cushion or on the floor on a yoga mat. People with back problems may find it more comfortable to sit in a straight chair. 2. Start your meditation with breathing. Once you are in a place of quiet, close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Make space for your thoughts and feelings. Your feelings of stress and anxiety can manifest inside your body, similar for the butterfly feelings in your stomach. Acknowledge those feelings. Scan your body and find areas where you may feel the stress and anxiety. Breathe into those areas. Take your time. 3. Extend your meditation over time. Initially, you may only feel like you could meditate for a few minutes, and that is okay. As you build your routine, extend that time by staying in the present moment. Sometimes counting can help you stay in the present moment and keep you focused. 4. Ideal balances. Your mind is always seeking ideal situations, ideal balances, ideal sleep, etc. Life will always have ups and downs, difficulties and challenges. Remember that through meditation, you have a wellspring of freedom from stress and anxiety. As we meditate, you can feel that your emotions in difficult times shift and change over time. Nothing is ever permanent. 5. Informal in the moment. Sometimes, you may come upon a moment when you come under a stressful situation and a long meditation is not ideal. In those moments, just pause in the moment, take in a couple of deep breaths, clear your mind, remove yourself from the situation in your mind, and you will be able to better handle the stressful situation with a clearer, more balanced mind. 6. Resilience. As you meditate more and more every day, you gain more and more resilience to stressful situations and address the anxiety that comes with it. Keep the routine of meditating every day. Do not run from the stress or anxiety, because that will only add more and more stress to you. Meditation for important events. Important events that occur in your life and cause some people to stress and have anxiety. This is when meditating before the event will help relieve the stress. Focus on your breathing and accept the feelings of uncertainty. Understand that you are fine. Breathe in and extend your out breath to help you regulate the sympathetic fight or flight response and takes away the feelings of stress and anxiety. 8. Managing overwhelming feelings. There are moments for all of us that have overwhelming situations. Our fight or flight kicks in and sometimes does not help us, unless we are in real danger. This is when meditating helps us address the overwhelming feelings using one of the techniques already mentioned. When these feelings occur, just take a moment to pause and meditate. Acknowledge and accept those feelings. Let them flow through you and out with your extended out breath. 9. Staying with the good feelings. Human brains are programmed to be on the lookout for what could go wrong. That impacts our mental health. By priming your brain to look for the positive, happy, and satisfying moments, we can combat the negativity in our lives. Look for the silver lining. Was I deceived, or did a sable cloud turn forth her silver lining on the night? John Milton. Maybe you come upon a difficult situation. Look for what could be positive in the situation instead of focusing on the negative. Meditating and focusing on your breathing helps train your brain to calm yourself and release the negative in your life.